To fix your credit score in Canada, you need to work to remove any negative accounts from your credit reports. Okay, any negative accounts from your credit reports, you need to work to remove those. You need to make sure that you have at least 4 credit cards reporting onto your credit reports. If you do not have at least 4 credit cards, I do suggest that you guys apply for more credit cards. If you guys have to do secure credit cards, that's where you have to put a deposit down to get a credit card. Go ahead and do that. All that is you put the deposit down, and when you put the deposit down, they're going to start reporting to the credit bureaus and they'll give you that credit card. Just make sure that they're not reporting more than 5% of the credit limit to the credit bureaus, or it's going to be pointless to have that secure credit card. It's going to drop your credit score. Just make sure you pay it on time, have those 4 credit cards, and remove any negative inaccurate accounts from your credit reports. And do not apply for too many credit cards, because you guys are going to get too many inquiries and it's going to drop your credit scores. Now, you guys are going to have to get a copy of your credit reports. So I have this here where you guys can request a copy of your credit reports. This is for Equifax. You guys can request it via mail, but they have different options. So you guys can complete this form here and you guys can mail it in, and you guys will be able to get a copy of your credit reports. You guys can also do it online. You can do it by phone, by mail, or in person. So that's how you guys can request a copy of your credit reports. And you guys have Equifax and you guys have experience. So please make sure you request it from both credit bureaus. Once you request a copy of your credit reports, see what's wrong on it. Do you have any negative accounts like a bankruptcy, collections, charge off? Work to remove that. I have a free dispute letter that you guys can use down below. Please go ahead and fill out that dispute letter. Start working to remove those negative accounts from your credit reports, and then apply for credit cards. I also have credit cards you guys can apply for that's in Canada. Please use that link down below also to get those credit cards that's in Canada. Make sure you have 4 of those. Make sure that they're reporting. Maybe you want to go and get a car. If you want to get a car and have that start reporting, but definitely check that out, you guys. And hopefully that helps you start repairing your credit and building